You know what no one know about teachers? It's not the lessons that drain them. It's the hours after school that never seem to end. The grading, the lesson plans, the emails, the data reports. Teachers, by the time you finish everything, the sun's gone, your dinner's cold, and you're still thinking about tomorrow's class. If you've ever said there just aren't enough hours in the day, this episode is for you. Hi, I'm Imani, your AI career coach. My mission is to help you rise above the noise, stand out above the rest, and thrive in the AI era without losing the heart of why you teach in the first place. And today, I'm showing you 10 steps on how teachers can use AI to save 10 hours a week, time you can spend with your family, your students, or finally just yourself. Step 1. Let's be honest. Teaching is overwhelming. If you're a teacher today, you're not just teaching. You're a curriculum designer, tech troubleshooter, counselor, data analyst, and administrator, all rolled into one. Most educators work between 50 to 60 hours per week, even though their contract says 40. That's the burnout trap, and AI can actually help break it. But here's the thing. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to relieve you. Think of it as your teaching assistant who never sleeps. We're going to focus on 4 core areas where AI gives you your time back fast: lesson planning, grading, communication, and personalization. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to reclaim up to 10 hours a week without adding a single new platform to your chaos. Step 2. Lesson planning in minutes, not hours. Let's start with the number one time killer, planning. The average teacher spends about 2 to 3 hours per week writing or updating lesson plans. Here's how AI can cut that down to 20 minutes if you consider these tools. Tool 1. ChatGPT or Claude. Prompt example: create a 5-day lesson plan for 9th grade English on the theme of identity using the novel The Hate You Give. Include objectives, daily activities, and one project-based assessment. Within seconds, you'll get a complete framework. Then you can follow up with differentiate this plan for students with reading comprehension challenges, or add exit ticket ideas that measure critical thinking. You've just done a week's worth of prep in minutes. Tool 2. Curipod or Diffit. These platforms generate interactive slides, quizzes, and handouts directly from your lesson objectives. You paste your topic, it builds your materials. Think of it as Canva meets ChatGPT for teachers. Tool 3. MagicSchool.ai. Created by teachers for teachers. You can instantly generate parent emails, rubrics, or even IEP goal ideas, all aligned to grade level standards. Now, multiply those minutes across a full semester, and you've already saved 3 to 4 hours weekly. Step 3. Smarter, fairer, and faster grading. Let's talk about grading. One of the biggest stress points for teachers. Between essays, projects, and quizzes, grading can eat up 5 to 10 hours every week. But AI can turn grading from a mountain into a checklist. Here's how. Tool 1. GradeScope or GPT-powered rubrics. You upload a rubric once, and the AI helps you score consistently while flagging unusual responses. You can even paste a student's essay into ChatGPT and use this prompt. Score this essay using a 4-point rubric: organization, evidence, grammar, and insight. Provide one strength and one growth suggestion per category. It doesn't replace your judgment, it supports it. It's like having a second pair of eyes that never gets tired. Tool 2. Formative or Kami. For assignments you already do digitally, these platforms use built-in AI to check short answers or math steps in real time. That means you don't have to grade every problem manually. The secret to saving time here is batching. Set one AI grading hour per week. Upload, review, finalize. What used to take 6 hours now takes 2. Step 4. Parent communication. Automated and empathetic. We've all had that Sunday night dread. 27 parent emails waiting in your inbox. Most teachers spend 2+ hours per week just replying to messages. AI can help you respond faster without losing your personal tone. Try this prompt. Write a kind, professional email to a parent explaining that their child has missing assignments and suggest a plan to help them get caught up. You'll get a draft that sounds warm, structured, and professional. Then just personalize it. Apps like MagicSchool.ai or ChatGPT can also help you rewrite communication in your voice. Example prompt. Rewrite this message to sound encouraging, not disciplinary. Now you're saving time and protecting your relationships. Step 5. Personalize learning without more work. AI makes it possible to personalize instruction without multiplying your workload. In the past, differentiation meant building 3 versions of the same lesson. Now you can do it with a single click. Prompt example. Differentiate this 5th grade math lesson on fractions into 3 tiers: struggling, on level, and advanced learners. Include real-world examples. Or use a tool like Conmigo from Khan Academy. It acts as a one-on-one tutor powered by GPT technology. Your students get guided support while you focus on feedback or enrichment. Everyone wins. Step 6. Classroom management and organization. AI isn't just about academics. Here's another tool. Notion AI or Google Sheets plus Gemini. You can automate attendance logs, student behavior notes, and progress trackers. Prompt example. Create a weekly progress tracker template for a class of 25 students with columns for participation, homework, and attitude. Now, every update takes seconds, not hours. And the bonus? You can share AI-generated summaries at parent-teacher conferences. Step 7. Protecting the human side. Let's pause for something important. AI can make your job easier, but it should never replace your humanity. Students don't remember your PowerPoints. They remember how you made them feel seen, capable, and confident. So use AI to handle the busy work, so you can focus on the human work. AI can grade a test, but it can't notice when a student's smile disappears. It can write feedback, but it can't replace your encouragement. You're still the magic in the classroom. Step 8. Real story. Ms. Lopez, 7th grade teacher. Meet Ms. Lopez, a 7th grade teacher from Atlanta who teaches 120 students. She used to spend her weekends buried in grading and planning. After attending a free AI for Teachers workshop, she started small, using ChatGPT to generate bell ringer questions and summarize student feedback. 2 months later, she built an AI-assisted grading template and switched to MagicSchool for lesson plans. Result? She saved 9 hours a week and reduced her stress level dramatically. She told me, AI didn't make me less of a teacher, it gave me my evenings back. That's the real goal here, to give great teachers the gift of time. Step 9. Your 7-day time saver challenge. Let's make this practical. Here's your 7-day AI teacher challenge. Day 1. Ask ChatGPT to design a 3-day mini lesson for your next topic. Day 2. Use MagicSchool.ai to create one parent email or rubric. Day 3. Have ChatGPT write a quiz and answer key. Day 4. Use Diffit or CurryPod to generate an interactive slide deck. Day 5. Try AI grading through one assignment. Start small. Day 6. Use AI to summarize weekly student progress. Day 7. Reflect. How much time did you save? Track it, post it, and tag #AI Coach Imani so I can celebrate your results. Most teachers who try this save between 8 to 12 hours per week without losing quality. Step 10. What happens next? Once you save your first 10 hours, something incredible happens. You stop surviving and start strategizing. You start asking, how can I use this time to build new lessons, new programs, or even new income streams? That's the transformation. It's not about doing less. It's about doing what matters most. Here's the truth. AI won't make you a better teacher. You already are one, but it will make your teaching sustainable. It'll help you breathe again, reclaim your creativity, rediscover why you started. Education doesn't need superheroes. It needs supported humans. And AI, when used wisely, is your support system. So take one small step this week. Try one tool. Track one win. And then come back tomorrow for Feature Friday, where I'll share real stories of educators who turned AI tools into classroom transformations and how their students are learning faster, deeper, and happier than ever before. Remember, you're not being replaced. You're being re-empowered. And this is the future of education.